everyone, my name is Harineshwari Anak Perempuan Santren and my matrix number is 13 DDT 20F112.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Zahira Sofia Binti Zulman. My matric number is 13 DDT 22F1106.
Assalamualaikum dan selamat sejahtera. My name is Puan Syafiqah binti Rahim. My matric number is 13 DDT 22F1129.
We are students of Polytechnic Sultan Nizam Zainal Abidin and we are from class DDT 3ST. In chapter 1, we have already learned about the introduction of human-computer interaction framework such as a code and wheel framework, ergonomics, model human processor and interaction styles. Anyways, let's have a little recap about what's the definition of human-computer interaction. Human-computer interaction is a discipline concerned with the design, evaluation and implementation of interactive computing systems, human use, and with the study of major phenomena surrounding them.
Moving on to chapter 2, we learn about human-computer interaction in the software process. There are 4 processes of interaction design. Firstly, identifying needs and establishing requirements for the user experience. Secondly, developing alternative design that meets those requirements. Thirdly, building interactive version of the design. And lastly, evaluating what is being built throughout the process and the user experience it offers.
Firstly, in need and requirements, we must know what our target user are and what kind of support and interactive product group usually provide. The next process of interaction design is alternative design. Alternative design can be divided into categories which is conceptual design and physical design. Thirdly, interaction design involves designing interactive product in the most accessible way for user to evaluate just design that is interact with them. Lastly, evaluating determines the usability and acceptability of the product or design that is matured.
Software lifecycle, we got to learn about software engineering. Software engineering is the discipline for understanding the software design process or lifecycle. Software engineering has spawned many lifecycle models including the waterfall, the spiral and rapid application development.
Besides software lifecycle, we also learn about Schneidemann's 8 golden rules of interface design, which we apply in our case study 1.
In the case study 1, we are required to develop a website for a tailor shop using human-computer interaction interface. In Schneidemann's 8 golden rules of interface design, D is the open page. In slide 2, which is the customer registration page, we use rule 6, which is permit easy reversal of action. Rule 6 help user to handle error.
In slide 3, the product information page, we use rule 4, which is design dialog to yield closure. Rule 4 helps the system to speak the user language, such as using by words, phrase, and concept familiar to the user rather than special system terms.
Moving on to slide 4, which is the order and online payment page. In this slide, we use rule 2, which is enable frequent users to use shortcuts. This rule makes users often want to work more efficiently and may prefer to use shortcuts to perform frequent and minor actions more quickly.
In slide 5, the checkout confirmation page, we use rule 7, which is support internet local of control. The rules allow users to always feel in control of the system and of the situation and not the other way around.
Moving on to slide 6, the system loading page. We use rule 3, which is offer informative feedback. This rule helps to inform the user in terms of learning and feedback, which tell them that they are proceeding in the right decision.
In slide 7, the user profile page, we use rule 1, which is strive for consistency. Consistency can be achieved through graphical elements such as fonts, color, shape, position, being consistently seen in all menus and screens across categories for particular software.
The last and final on a slide, it's the contact support page. We use Unify, which is offer error preventative and simple error handling. In an error is made, the system should be able to detect the error and offer simple, compressible mechanism for handling the error.
That's all from us. Thank you for watching our video. In the software life,
Meets those requirements. That
In Slides 5, they check out
Rule 2, which is enable request user.
evaluating.
Apalah.
final check code.